Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, let us now learn about the side effects of furosemide. Okay, furosemide causes side effects like it causes hypovolemia, hyponatremia, hypokalemia, hypomagnesemia, that is decreased magnesium, hypocalcemia, decreased calcium, and it causes hyperuricemia. It causes increased LDL cholesterol and decreased HDL cholesterol. It causes hyperglycemia and thus it causes glucose intolerance. It causes ototoxicity. So this is about furosemide side effects. Thank you for watching.
Thank you and thank you for watching.